Lesson day to the jury. The problem statement we have taken is how to avoid median accidents. Invisible center median causes a huge number of accidents in India. Approximately 1.4 million people die due to median accidents. In India, every highway has uninterrupted white lines on both the sides and an interrupted white line in the middle. The uninterrupted white line is followed by median. By taking these white lines into consideration, we have developed a system to prevent median accidents. We make use of IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor and LiDAR for this project. We place 6 IR sensors, 3 in each side of the car, accompanied by 1 ultrasonic sensor in each side. The LiDAR is placed on top of the car to detect the vehicle approaching the car. The basic property of the IR sensor is to detect the white line. Then, the first IR sensor detects the white line. The user is given the alert message through LED or buzzer. When the second IR sensor detects the white line, it alerts the driver with a vibration in the car steering. And when the third IR sensor detects the white line, the median is not even 30 cm away from the car, so the IR sensor sends the signal to the microcontroller, which in turn alerts the ECU to make use of BLDC motor in the power steering to shift a certain angle, and also to the ABS to slow down the motion of the car. The ultrasonic sensor constantly finds the distance between the car and the nearest possible object. Even if the white line is not present, we can make use of the ultrasonic sensor to pass the signal to microcontroller to have the processor tilting and braking. The tilting angle is decided by the ECU, and the LiDAR sends the signal if there is any nearest possible object that may hit the car, and according to which the tilting angle is reduced. When the person decides to take U-turn or wish to override the system, they can use indicators or pass light and the total system is deactivated. The entire system gets activated only if the speed is above 50 km per hour.
This is the working prototype for the above mentioned process. Now, what you see are the IR sensors. 3 would be placed in each side of the car. These are the ultrasonic sensors which will be placed with the IR sensors, 1 in each side of the car. Now we will go through the right side setup of the car. The car is accelerating in its full speed. When the first IR sensor detects the white line, the alert message is given through the buzzer and LED. When the second IR sensor detects the white line, the driver is alerted through the vibration in the steering, and when the third IR sensor detects the white line, speed of the car is reduced and it is tilted towards its left by ABS and BLDC motor of the power steering respectively. The same process happens in the left side setup of the car, but only the tilting direction changes as it is tilted towards the right side. When the object comes in the proximity of 15 cm to the ultrasonic sensor, it sends the signal to microcontroller, which in turn alerts the ECU, and thus the speed is reduced and the tilting is done. We are also using LiDAR technology to determine the angle of tilt.